state is spending a lot of money on building these highways in the state. So is there any provision or is there any requirement to add toll for this?
See, when Mr. Manohar Parrikar was the Chief Minister, this was discussed. And at times PWD Minister and Honorable CM then and now have already told and very clearly said that the toll should not be inside Goa, can be on the boundaries. So from what I am given to understand, the toll is going to come when people enter Goa and when people exit Goa. Whatever entry that side, exit this side, at both the sides. And one toll will be at the Empathy junction, which goes from the Empathy activity जातली ते toll असले. Within Goa area, अशे toll आसचे ना अशे म्हाका कळेला. But how far it is true, I am also doing a detailed study. But ultimately, I also feel that tolls should start at the border of Goa, both the borders of Goa, or whichever borders of Goa. जे लोक जर भितर सरता वा भायर सरता तांकां टोल दिवपाक पडटलें. Within that area तांकां दिवपाक पडचें ना अशें म्हाका अंडरस्टँडींग आसा आनी जें म्हाका सांगलां ते भशेन आसा. पूण अल्टिमेटली केन्ना हांवें 5 म्हयने जाले म्हाका घेतल्यात. सो थोड्यो गोश्टी म्हाकाय स्टडी करूंक पडटा. सो दिस इज वॉट आय एम गिवन टू अंडरस्टँड that tolls will be only on the outer side of Goa, on the borders of Goa, and there will be no tolls for the works which are going hampering here inside.
In the tender, there should be something mentioned about it.
It was mentioned that tolls were supposed to be put inside. Subsequently, things have changed. Because eka tender je asa, these are not built or operate and transfer. These are EPC mode tenders where the central government is paying for the construction of this particular thing. The build, operate and transfer mode आमी national highway हांगा गोंयांत आमी करना. So it is the highway to recover the money. They will put tolls at the borders of Goa. So that much I understand. Build, operate and transfer ते मदीं घालपाक सोदताले. आमचे road is not build, operate and transfer. These are EPC mode roads where center is funding and recovery will run on the tolls on the borders of Goa.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.